Today, finally, you have clicked on the right video. You just need 3 to 5 minutes to learn all 12 tenses. Hi, everybody, welcome and welcome back to our Mamta Inspires YouTube channel. Today, let me tell you the very simple way of remembering tenses and using them in your real life. We have glorified tenses this much that it is so much hyped, and you consider that I cannot learn tenses. So, the basic knowledge about tenses you already have. There are three types of tenses: present, past, future. All these three tenses has four types. So the first and foremost, what I want you to do, on the screen you can see some of the rules about tenses. Now, doesn't matter what you are going to do to remember all these rules, but you have to remember. Activity is you have to choose one verb. Example: go, went, gone. This is the first form, go. Went is the second form, gone is the third form. These are the forms which you have to remember. Start from the 10 basic verbs which we use in our daily life. As we have four types in our present tense, then we are going to use go verb in our all four tenses. Let's see examples. I go to temple. I am going to temple. I have gone to temple. I have been going to temple. I go to temple means this is my habit that I go to temple. I am going to temple. It means मैं अभी temple जा रही हूँ. This is temporary action. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense means any task which you have completed, but still that task is related with your present. That is present perfect tense. So when I say I have gone to temple means मैं मंदिर जा चुकी हूँ. I have been watching your videos for 2 days. मैं आपकी वीडियोस 2 दिन से देख रही हूँ. Getting my point? So we say I have been doing my graduation for 2 years. I have been watching your videos. I have been practicing English since morning. मैं सुबह से प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ. Something you started, still it is in continuous, and you are showing the time also, that how long you have been doing. So here we completed our present tense. Next tense is past tense. I went to temple. I was going to temple. I had gone to temple. I had been going to temple. Went to temple means मैं temple गई थी. That action you took and that is completed also. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे students को confusion होती है. Sometimes they say I have gone to temple. Sometimes they say I went to temple. Guys, you have to understand the difference. See, if I'm asking you about the yesterday, कि कल आप मंदिर गई थी, then you will say yes, I went to temple. But if I'm asking you today, that क्या आप आज टेम्पल जाके आए हो, then you will say yes, I have gone to temple today. Past continuous. Past continuous means past में कोई काम हो रहा था, continuous में हो रहा था. Then you will say I was going to temple. Past perfect tense. So in this tense we say I had gone to temple. मतलब मैं टेम्पल जा चुका था. Now in this tense हम दो सेंटेंस का यूज करते हैं. मैं ऐसे बोलूंगी जब तुमने मुझे कॉल किया मैं तो टेम्पल जा चुकी थी. When you called me, I had gone to temple. इसी तरीके से हमारे और सेंटेंस होते हैं. जब मेरी मम्मी घर आई मैं खाना बना चुकी थी. जब तुमने मुझे कॉल किया मैं मूवी स्टार्ट कर चुकी थी. Now you translate all these 2 to 3 sentences in our comment section. Past perfect continuous tense. I had been watching your videos for 2 minutes. मैं आपकी वीडियोस 2 मिनट से देख रही थी. Getting? मैं टेम्पल 30 मिनट से जा रहा था. I had been going to temple for 30 minutes. I will go to temple. I will be going to temple. I will have gone to temple. I will have been going to temple. Once you are good at this, then you have to do the rapid fire with this. I read books. I am reading books. I have read books. I have been reading books for 10 minutes. I read books. I was reading books. I had read books. I had been reading books. I will read books. I will be reading books. I will have read books. I will have been reading books for 10 minutes. You see, it's easy. You just have to do practice with this. That's it, guys, about our today's video. I hope you liked our today's activity. See you in the next video.